Next one is transformer coupling. It is also simple. You will have a transformer between the two stages. So the collector, you will have primary of the transformer. From the secondary of the transformer, the output is given to the base of the next stage. So instead of using an RC network, I'm using a transformer here. Transformer, it has primary and secondary. Primary is at the collector. Secondary output voltage is given to the base. And transformer is a very good isolating device. It isolates this amplifier and this amplifier in a very good way. So, and also it has a very good coupling. So the coupling efficiency is very, very good in the circuit, and isolation is also very, very good. So the transformer will effectively transfer signal from one stage to another stage. Transformer will effectively isolate amplifier 1 and isolate amplifier 2 separately. So the circuit will be looking very, very, it will be working very, very efficiently. But only one drawback, the transformers are very big. So transformers will make your circuit big, bulky, and also costly. Compared to simple RC coupling, the transformer based coupling will make your circuit bulky, expensive, and costly. But it is one of the very efficient circuits. When you compare to RC, transformer coupling is very, very efficient compared to RC coupling. And it is mostly restricted for power amplifiers. We use transformer coupling not for normal amplifiers. We use it only for power amplifiers where maximum power transfer is required. So all amplifiers using this coupling scheme is called transformer coupled amplifier.